What is going on, everyone? Got an unboxing video here to share with all of you. I got my new GeForce RTX 2080 Ti Founders Edition graphics card in the mail today. I am simply doing an unboxing video of this right now for my subscribers, and this is going to be my new card that I use for gaming, YouTube and my main computer, all that good stuff, editing and all that kinds of stuff. So I just wanted to do a simple walk around of the box and then a quick unboxing to just show you the graphics card. So there are some minimum system requirements on the back of the box there, and again, you could probably go look all this stuff up anyway. It has a 3-year warranty from NVIDIA and some different languages there, and there's some more information along with the serial number. My thumb is over, but going around the box, there's the top of the box. Here's what the back looks like, kind of just plain, only has a little graphic down there. Okay, so I'm really excited to actually have this. That's why I'm doing a quick unboxing. So this box is pretty solid. Oh, and there's the card. But let me set this up and get a good look at the card here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll take it out of the bag. Looks like it comes with something else back here. I don't know what this is. Probably some cables maybe, or some extra attachments. Let's take a look. Looks like pretty much the normal stuff in here. A quick start guide, a support guide. You get this dongle with it, which is DP. It's probably DisplayPort, which it is, to DVI. And that's just pretty much whatever, an adapter. Okay, so here's a look at this RTX 2080 Ti Founders Edition card. God, I'm so happy to have it. It is definitely heavy, it feels solid, and it should be for what it costs. So just taking a look at the back of this card, you can tell it's really well built, and looking at the top, you have your ports over here for your power supply. I think you need like a minimum of a 650 watt power supply for this thing, but I'd have to double check that. And taking a look over here at the ports on this thing, looks like we have a USB Type-C port, display ports, you got 3 of them, and then HDMI port there. So yeah, this is a really sweet graphics card. I cannot wait to get this thing hooked up. That's why I wanted to quickly do this unboxing. So if you're looking to play video games and stuff at 4K 60 frames a second, you need to at least, like a very minimum, have one of these graphics cards, the 2080 Ti, or you need to do some research on some other cards, but I know this should be able to handle it and keep me going for quite a while. Again, that's all I had for you. I'll bring videos later with gameplay with this thing and all that once I dig into it a little more and can be giving you a little more accurate information. But until then, links will be in the description. You can click the links, go check this thing out, the cost, read more about the specs and all that stuff. And if you want, hit the thumbs up button on this video and share it, and I will see you guys in the next one.